Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today is the first day to open my channel. These are the ones I'm going to talk about today. Three basic Korean sauce and paste. Well, this is the soy sauce and soy paste. And the last one is chili paste. I'm going to make a dipping sauce, actually sauces, using one of each. I use a lot for my cooking. Those recipes would be really simple but very useful. Before start, I will show you something.
You're watching Korean supermarket, especially sauce and paste section. These red ones are chili paste, and brown and green ones are soy paste. Usually, green ones something mixed with something like vegetables and other ingredients, and normal paste, soy paste, brown ones. And these black bottles are all soy sauce. There are soy sauces I use. Let me see. Yeah, 국간장 means something for soup. This one too. And okay, this one is normal soy sauce I use most. And there are other kinds of soy sauce too. Okay, now are you ready to make dipping sauces? First, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. It usually makes 4 servings, could be 5. And next, chopped spring onion, 2 tablespoons. And 1 teaspoon garlic, crushed garlic. And this is chili powder. I always put this, but if you don't like any chili powder, you don't have to. It's quite optional. And the next 2 things are quite important, I think. Crushed sesame, more than a teaspoon. And sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. If you don't have both, you can use one of these, but I recommend 2. Just the sesame, crushed sesame will be alright, but it should be more than a teaspoon in that case. And just mix it before serving. If you have any kind of dumpling, fried or steamed, you can try with this sauce. You'll like it. For 쌈장, 1.5 tablespoon of soy paste. And 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Next, 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. You can use just normal onion, finely chopped. And this one is chili paste, 1 teaspoon. And next one is 물엿, we call it. It's a quite thick type syrup. You can just put 1 teaspoon of sugar instead. And the next one, this is a kind of cake. It's a perilla powder, 2 tablespoons. It gives particular flavor. Also, make this sauce less salty and healthier. And this one is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. If you don't have perilla powder, you just need to add a little bit more sesame oil. That would be good. And just mix this. You can make it before serving, not just before serving, in advance. And I use this sauce for steamed pork, Korean style. And even when you have vegetable, we call sam, I use this a lot. And there are other dishes you can use this sauce. First, chili paste, 1½ tablespoon. And next, 1 tablespoon of erythritol. I use sugar substitute, but normal sugar will be alright. 1 tablespoon. And apple vinegar, 1½ tablespoon. But just normal vinegar would be alright. And next one, this one is sesame oil, 1 tablespoon. And this one, actually, Japanese plum syrup I made. But if you don't have this, just add a little bit more sugar. Maybe another 2 teaspoons of sugar. And this one is quite optional. 1 tablespoon of Sprite. So quite optional. And the next one, just mix well until the chili paste actually dissolve completely. Then you made chogochujang. Finished.
I think it's time to finish. I hope you enjoyed my show today. And thank you for watching. And any comment or opinion will be welcome. Bye.